Contractors want the job done right, and customers want their landscape lighting to be the envy of every neighbor. With the ACE Connector, you can deliver both. ACE Connector features a solid brass design, which dissipates heat quicker and delivers a cooler temperature at the splice, a superior and permanent electrical connection. The fast curing heat shrink is lined with a special sealant that surrounds splices, protecting them from harsh elements and water intrusions, while keeping your splice dry and protected. And the best part of the ACE Connector? Once it's installed, neither the contractor nor the customer will even know it's there. It lies flat against decks, trees, or even on the ground for seamless and concealed connections.